Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with M&T Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin scaling with M&T Bank, start by visiting their official website. Familiarize yourself with the range of services they offer, including business loans and credit lines. Evaluate your business needs to determine which financial products suit you best. Consider setting up a business bank account to streamline your finances. Use M&T Bank's online tools to manage your accounts efficiently. Next, explore their lending options tailored to different stages of business growth. Gather the necessary documentation, including your business plan and financial statements. Contact a relationship manager to discuss your specific goals and requirements. Prepare for a comprehensive review of your financial health by providing relevant data. Once you've established a relationship, inquire about their growth programs and resources. Evaluate the potential of utilizing M&T Bank's advisory services for strategic planning. As you expand, keep track of your financial performance using M&T Bank's online dashboards. Consider their merchant services to facilitate transactions as your customer base grows. Stay informed about any workshops or seminars they offer to enhance your business acumen. Utilize M&T Bank's networking opportunities to connect with other entrepreneurs. Leverage their resources to adjust your business strategy as needed to remain competitive. Regularly review your financial goals in consultation with your M&T Bank advisor as you scale. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.